Rider. How y'all doing? Hope everybody's happy, healthy, got everything they need. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I put up new ones, and share with your friends and family so that I can share my videos with more people. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
Okay, I'm washing my windshield. I've had a couple of complaints about the bugs on my windshield. Trying to look through there, but I do wash it. I always wash it when I get gas. And if I didn't get gas the last time I was out, I wash it at home before I leave. But the bugs, now that it's warmed up, they're just all over the place. Just everywhere. Seems like that's on the inside. Yes, it is. How did a bug get inside on the inside or the back side? And I always wipe off my lights too. Keep the bugs off there. May have to do a little more inside here. See more like water spots as well as buglies. And I also always clean off my mirrors. Whenever I clean the windshield, I clean my mirrors. There. Okay, well, I just wanted to let you know that I do wash that windshield. Hi. I just cleaned my windshield at the gas station, but it got some bugs on it on the way home. So I'm getting them off now. I do clean it. It's just that we have a lot of bugs now that it's warm. Everywhere I've lived, even when I lived in Alaska, when it would warm up, we'd have a lot of bugs. Mosquitoes, oh man, big mosquitoes, you wouldn't believe it. They used to swoop down and carry off people's cats and dogs. No, but they were big mosquitoes that we had up there, bigger than the ones we got down here. Okay, some of that's chips out of my windshield, little chips, and that's something on the inside, I guess. Well, no. Yeah. Okay, I'm getting it. Getting it. Okay, that's starting to just streak now. Got it too wet, I guess. And that's scratches and chips. Okay, and one other thing. Now you know that I do clean the windshield. One other thing that people have asked about, they haven't commented in the comments, but I've gotten a couple of emails, is they want to know what the tattoo is on my left arm. So, there it is. Hopefully that's a good shot of it, and it shows up well.